Happy 2021, dear visitors, the old and new friends of my YouTube channel. As this is the first organizational video of the year, please make sure to subscribe and click on the notification bell in case this is your first visit for the future organizational and DIY videos. Hi dear viewers and victorious creators of my channel. Finally, the organization season has arrived. After the new year, after a bunch of bad things that happened in 2020, including the war against Armenians in Nagorno-Karabakh in Artsakh, I have decided finally to go through my stuff and decide which one I'm keeping, which one I'm giving away, which one I'm throwing away. Today is the day one, I guess, of my decluttering process. The day for lipsticks. First day I decided to start from the easiest thing. Whatever I know what I like, what I don't like. I already threw away 2 empty lipsticks that I was holding on just to make my own lipstick in those containers, but today I decided it's better to let them go because I have a bunch of them here so I can use them. These are the ones that I was using for about 1 year or maybe 2 years, some of them, and there are some that are totally new. I never touched them. And besides, I have gone to Walmart and decided to buy 8 different lipsticks. Can you imagine? It's like the end of the world. Why I decided to buy 8 of them, I don't know, but because I bought 8 of them, I'm gonna let go at least 5 of these ones. These ones are the ones that I created from different lipsticks. I made different colors. I was experimenting for myself. Of course, the containers are brand containers. These are from Chanel containers. This one is Mary Kay, I guess. This one is Estee Lauder or something, I don't know. No, this is not Estee Lauder. Maybe Maybelline or something. This one I got from Sephora. Anyway, this one is NYX. So what am I gonna do now? First of all, I will start taking these ones out and see which color matches with this. And in case I find old one that has almost the same color or similar to these colors, I may return some of this because I don't want to have doubles or triples of the same item. So I'm gonna go through this and I'm not going to record it, but hopefully you trust me because I'm gonna empty them like this and go through them. These are just sample lipstick packs. Hope you have seen them. If you give them empty MAC boxes and containers, they're giving you a new one. I don't know if it's true, if it's still working or no after COVID, not sure, but I'm still holding on it. So I'm gonna go through these ones. Oh, another chipstick. See, more and more unexpected surprises here. These are very rare colors that I collected at Walmart because I was looking for these colors for a couple of months and finally I found them. Although nowadays we're using masks and nobody's putting on a lipstick, but still, if I start recording for my YouTube channel, I have to dress up and put a makeup for you, of course. I've arranged my almost new and totally new lipsticks in this container from Dollar Tree. I am going to see what I have here and then compare them with what I've made or I have already used. These are the ones that I already finished almost. Here, see, this one is broken and almost finished. And why am I keeping them? In order to make newer lipsticks like these 2 which I made. And one day I will do a video showing how to make your own lipsticks. Of course, the colors you have to decide when you are mixing them together. Let me explain the method of arrangement. On this side, I put towards the right side, I put all my pink and red color lipsticks. And on this corner, like on this line, if you see here, it's a row or line. So I put all my moisturizing lipsticks and Blistex, Burt's Bees, Another blistex. This row is all the reds and pink colors. Then here it comes orange. In the middle it's golden colors. Here I have purples, all the purples here on the bottom. And by the way, one tip, when you don't put lipsticks upside down to see the numbers and colors, you're buying the same thing over and over, like me here. I would have seen that I already have 410, but I went to the store and bought the same thing, thinking that I didn't have it. Here I have another purple color or brownish. Oh, actually this side is brownish colors. Yeah, the purple ones are in the bottom, then comes the brown and golden. This pink is supposed to go to this side. Okay, and orange. In this way I have red, pink, purple, orange, brown, all my colors. I have almost all colors. I don't like kind of dark blue or dark purple or whatever colors they use, like crazy colors. No, I don't have them. Now let's continue with what I purchased here. I have bought 2 browns, one nudish pink, which is called Pink Score, double shot, which is brown color. This one is Copper Charge, and here I have Pink Flare, Crimson Race, and Plum Rule. By the way, this Plum Rule color I love the most because I used to have it from Clinique. It's discontinued color, they don't have it anymore, but Plum was my favorite color, most favorite. So I got all these 6 and I decided to keep them. The other 2 I already put here. Remember, I had 2 golden colors, the new ones, 127 and 124. This 124 is similar to 411, but there is some difference, so I'm gonna keep both of them. Okay, dear friends, these are the 3 sets where I found the doubles. Let me open the lipsticks and you will understand what I mean. Okay, as you can see, this golden one is L'Oreal. And this one is my favorite, Maybelline, which by the way is the same 410, which is called Blissful Berry. Yeah, I love berries. And the L'Oreal one is called Paris, New York, 127. So they are almost the same, probably 1 millimeter in color difference. So I'm gonna leave whatever I have, especially that I have 2 410s, and I'm going to return the L'Oreal one, although the L'Oreal one is better sometimes than the Maybelline, but I'm choosing to keep the one that I have and return the one that is totally new. So I saved money. The second set is in the shade of brown. The one that I'm gonna keep again is from Maybelline, 411, and I'm going to return L'Oreal again, 124. Why? Because the L'Oreal is matte color and my favorite is kind of shiny, and it's kind of in my favorite shade, which is closer to orangey reddish brown. With my complexion, the shiny one will look my face brighter and the matte one will make me faded, so I'm choosing the Maybelline. And the third set that I'm gonna choose is in the shade of golden color. By the way, copper, not gold. So as you can see, this Copper Charge, this one is from probably Maybelline, and the one that I had is from Sephora. So almost the same color. I'm choosing to keep the one that I have and return the new one. So as you can see, in total I saved 3 new lipsticks thanks to decluttering. Hope you get motivated and go through your own lipstick collection. Well, okay, this was all that I wanted to share with you for this video. Next time I will share another type of a makeup item organization. So thanks a lot for being with me all these years, for not leaving my channel. 2020 was really difficult for me because of the war, because of my mom who broke her shoulder and now is trying to recover. By the way, if you like this type of videos, don't forget to put your thumbs up and subscribe and click on that notification bell so you can get more and more videos showing organization and minimalism. I'm trying, but it's very, very difficult, guys. I hope you understand, my friends. I have to stop going to store just for looking around. It's dangerous for me. I have to stay away from all kinds of stores, and I suggest to do the same if you are a shopaholic like me, or if you are stressed, stay away from stores, because when you are stressed, you are very, very prone to buy something to kind of close that gap. It's not good. Later you will regret, so it's better to stay away from stores. Love everybody. Bye bye.